What's up guys, this is Raf and for today's video, we'll be unboxing the Z Flip 4. So here we go. So that is the unboxing for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. And we will turn it on and set this up right now. We have pre-ordered it with Globe, a telecom company here in the Philippines, and this with the base model of 128GB. So let's try to check what other things comes on the box while setting this up. So Samsung is very modest on the things that it comes on the box. Recently, what we have only here would be the Z Flip warranty papers, a SIM ejector tool, and lastly the cable. So first impression with its design is really great. This looks and feels premium and even tops the iPhone for me. It does have a little bit weight on it, though it's very compact when it's folded. And with its color that I have, which is like pink gold or rose gold, it looks very elegant. They have improved its hinge too, and it does have a matte back so it's not fingerprint magnet. So when you unfold it, it does have a weird aspect ratio. It's a lot taller and slimmer to other phones, but somehow I got to like it. Since you'll have a lot of screen real estate without sacrificing the one-hand usability. For crease, you'll notice it first in the screen when it's off or if you're using black wallpapers. But if you're using colorful wallpapers, you won't notice that much. On its outer screen, you can change and modify your always on display. And it does have a quick toggles for accessing different widgets like music, contacts, timer, and calendar, and many more. This is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 And boy, this thing flies through everything. With its 120Hz screen partnered with the best processor for Android right now, it's very fast and fluid. Navigating through its UI and its apps is such a breeze. Everything is smooth and very responsive. Although it does have only a 3700 mAh battery, they have said that the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 is a very efficient processor, and surely I will be looking forward to testing this device for its full review. So that is the unboxing and my first impression for the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. So thank you for watching my video, please like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon. Peace out.